Hi Neha, welcome to my channel. Yine başladık guys. Phương Mỹ Chi, Orange, Lamoon, Xinh Say Hi performance, Morse code. Oh my god, let's watch. If you guys don't know about them, please comment down below, guys, and let's go. I'm so excited.
ATB Bank, tiện ích đỉnh, sống đỉnh.
Yun,
Nước tăng lực
yun,
của em xinh, Warrior, ngon hết đất, vui hết cỡ.
that. Oh my god,
Ngon hết đất,
I,
vui hết cỡ.
Phương Mỹ Chi. She's cutest.
Ice cold diamonds on my neck stay froze. Dressed to the nines, stripped down to the toes. It's like fake
God.
I'm a certified pro.
Well, her face kind of familiar for me.
Money, then you better let 'em know. Ay,
Actually, totally everyone.
get the bag, yeah. Get the bag, get the
Morse
bag,
code.
get the bag, yeah.
Okay, it's kind of R&B, huh? What's happening? From my chi? Her voice? I think like that. She's cute. Oh my god, I'm dying inside me. Yeah, her voice is so good. And that also. Yes, hi. Oh my god. Nice. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, what is that? What is? Look at this. Woo! It looks older than looks magnificent. It's an act form. Hi. Oh my god. What eyelash? They're so long. Wow. Hi. I saw her yesterday. Her played with Phương Mỹ Chi on TikTok. Bro, she literally walking on stairs like a. Oh my god, her voice is also good. Oh my god. Yeah. Her voice something else. Not belongs to our world. Yes. Nice. Woo! Ooh, nice. What's going? Oh man, I think her name's Orange. Here the. What's happened behind them? Bro, what is that? That's kind of interesting shot. What's going on? Where are we right now? Oh, her voice something else. Oh my god. Stop! I got chills. Oh my god. Na, 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 na. Wow, look at the orchestra we had. When they're settled. Yeah. Wow, they're calling like a Morse code dance. Like a group name. Oh my. Oh my god. That was fun. Yeah, exactly like that. Yes. Yes. Bam, bam. Oh my god. Like the rock and roll, huh? Yes. She's enjoying. Yeah. She's cute. Wow. Ooh, yeah. Oh my god. Look at her. Look at her. Ah, she's cutest. And the members also look cool. That was a perfect. Anyway, let's end. If you guys want more about them, please comment down below. Take your sub, guys, and bye.